The odds are high this season, feel like winning season. Ooh, it's true, it's true.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lindy, aka Boa Vista. For those who are new here who don't know me, yeah, that's my name. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So this is a very short video, and I just wanted to come here and show you guys how I do mainly my eyebrows and my makeup, but mainly this is for my requested how I do my eyebrows. So firstly I start with prepping my face, and then I use the Woolworths Niacinamide serum, which is very good for hyperpigmentation. If you suffer with hyperpigmentation, this is the go-to serum for you. So yeah, this you can use for your face. So like I said, for those who don't know me, my name is Lindy, aka Boa Vista, and for those who have been the regulars on this channel, thank you so much for coming back, and thank you for the love. Thank you for watching all my vlogs, my shorts, and all my videos. Guys, I really appreciate all the love that you're giving my channel, and we are growing. Keep watching the vlogs and the videos, and I appreciate the love. So yes, I also apply sunblock, so I'll be talking through the video here and there. Yeah, so enjoy the short video. Thank you.
Then you get all the love, then you get, yeah. Then you get all the love, yeah. Then you get all the love, yeah. Then you get all the love.
The main important thing that you must always remember is to take your time with eyebrows, because they shape your face and they always make your face beat. Like if your eyebrows are laid to the gods and they look like sisters, not twins, like sisters, your makeup is gonna come out looking amazing. That's the only thing that you must always remember. Take your time and always make sure they look like sisters. So basically all you need for your eyebrows is an eyebrow pencil. So I use the Essence brown eyebrow pencil, and I also use the L'Oreal Infallible in number 322, and I also use the L'Oreal Infallible in number 330. But everything that I'm using will be listed in the description box, so you guys don't have to worry. And the brush that I'm using is also a white Essence eyeshadow brush, so you can also use an eyeshadow brush. You don't have to go and like beat yourself up with the eyebrow pencil or something like that, or eyebrow brush. Like you can use any eyeshadow brush that is flat, as long as it's a flat brush. Yeah. And then normally after my eyebrows, I will continue and put on my foundation. guys, there's enough videos of me putting on my foundation. So here I decided to show you guys my full-on contouring technique. So I use the L'Oreal Infallible, I swear by the L'Oreal Infallible concealers and the LA Girl concealers. I put on underneath my eyes and I let it sit for some time and then I blend. Take your time with the blending situation. Like you take your time. Mauhamba uyawubona umfana. You know, vat your tyd met your concealers onder your oor. Take your time, trust you me. Tseya nako ya hao when you blend and let the concealer sit for some time. Go make coffee or something and then after that you blend it and blend and blend. Take your time, trust you me, before you go in with the powder, and then your makeup will sit and it will come out like a face bead. Trust me and trust the process, guys. Don't rush it and make sure that you use a damp sponge as well. And also, if you're not a girl that likes a sponge, you are more than welcome to use a brush. And you can also set your face in between with a setting spray. That also helps. So I'm a very oily girl, so I normally set my face 3 times. And I also go in heavy with the powder. But if you know you're a very person with a dry skin, you do not have to follow the steps that I follow. Yeah, I hope you guys are still enjoying this beautiful video. Please remember to comment, like and share. And if you want any more of such videos, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you have any comments, any suggestions, also feel free. Thanks.
This could have been an email, so don't be wasting my time. Don't be all in my space, girl, I'm up in my prime.
So, and I also love Fenty Beauty because I know once I put Fenty Beauty on as a setting powder, we are good to go. And as you can see, my contour lines are showing over there. They are literally saying, yes ma'am, we have contoured, we're looking good. And the reason why I put the white powder underneath my eyes is because I knew I was going to use the eyeshadow from Essence, and whatever excess was going to fall underneath my eyes, I can just easily wipe it off without it showing underneath my eyes. So that's very important, guys, especially if you are a beginner. Just put extra excess powder underneath your eyes so that when you are applying eyeshadow, you can just dust it off and then it won't show. So I decided to go with this eyeshadow palette because I love it. It has enough eyeshadow to play around with. And on this day, I decided to do a smoky eye with some crystal white eyeshadow on the inner corner because I was going on a dinner date with the girls. So yeah, that's the look that we are going for. And with eyeshadows, remember to also take your time. I didn't master these techniques overnight. I also learned. I made mistakes before, and this skill actually comes with more practice. So the more you practice is the more you're gonna get it right. So I also threw in a beautiful little masterpiece for you guys, which is my technique that I love the most, which is the cut crease. Yes, there's a cut crease as well in here. I'll show you guys how to do a cut crease, and keep on watching and then you will see how I do the cut crease. Yeah. Then again, guys, remember to take your time, and here on this step, because you're doing a cut crease, remember to take the smallest, tiniest brush that is flat and use that to go into your cut crease, and remember to dab into the cut crease with your eyeshadow so that it can stick to the crease. That's the trick to this whole thing, and take your time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pick a place on the way. Where you wanna go, 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 go. Where you wanna go, 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 go. Where you wanna go, 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 go. Where you wanna go, 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 go. Boy, it's up to you tonight. Make the reservation. I need a vacation with you tonight. My inspiration. Good morning with a beach view. It's overdue. Who say that, my dear? Pink colada with the beer, yeah. Crystal clear water exterior. Flashing lights, traffic lights, red.
Hola amigos, so this is how the final look came out. So let me know how you guys feel about this video, and if you guys want to see more. Thank you.
Go, 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 go. Where you wanna go, 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 go. Where you wanna go, go.